Srimanarayana, 27th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sparsan krutva bahirbakhyan चक्षुश्च एवान्तरे भ्रुवोः प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तर चारिणौ ओम. Practice meditation. Sit in an erect posture. Focus your half-closed eyes between the eyebrows. Harmonize your breath. Think about yourself, that is Atma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall practice meditation every day. I shall constantly focus all my attention on myself, that is Atma. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments. And I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamruta sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Rantideva is such a great Sriman Narayana's devotee. And following Rantideva, there are so many people who meditated upon Sakshat Sriman Narayana, who worshipped Sriman Narayana. Now, I will tell you about some more people. There is one dynasty going like this. Garga, he gave birth to Sini. Sini gave birth to Gargya. That is one dynasty. And Mahavirya gave birth to Duritakshaya. Duritakshaya's sons are Trayaruni, Kavi, Pushkararuni, 3 sons. Bruhatkshatra's son is Hasti. Hasti is the one who built Hastinapuram. Ajamedho Dvimedhascha Purumedhascha Hastinaha. That Hasti gave birth to 3 sons, Ajamedha, Dvimedha, Purumedha. Ajamedha's son is Bruhadishu, and Bruhadishu's son is Bruhadhanu. Bruhadhanu's son is Bruhadkaya, and his son is Jayadratha. Jayadratha's son is Visada. His son is Syenajittu. Syenajitta's sons are Ruchirasva, Drudhahanu, Kasya, Vatsa. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinikhataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 5th chapter 27th sloka. Sparshan krutva bahirbakhyaan chakshuschayvantare bhruvoh pranapanau samau krutva नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ. स्पर्शान् कृत्वा बहिर्बाह्यान् चक्षुश्चैवान्तरे भ्रुवोः प्राणापानौ समौ कृत्वा नासाभ्यन्तरचारिणौ. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.